Hello, I'm Dee, and I'm a product manager at Mozart Data. I'm going to guide you through the process of integrating Sigma to a Mozart Data account. This will help you access more features and get more value out of Mozart and Sigma down the road. First, let me begin by briefly explaining the relationship between Mozart and Sigma. Mozart is a platform where you bring, store, and clean your data in a centralized data warehouse. Whether it's raw data sets from various sources, such as database and SaaS tools, or even CSV files, you can store them in one location and convert them into more manageable and cleaner datasets called transforms. And Sigma, on the other hand, is a BI tool that allows you to access and use this data to analyze and visualize them and build insightful reports and dashboards. So simply put, Mozart is where you organize and store your data, and Sigma is where you analyze and visualize the data. So Mozart is this necessary tool that empowers you to get the full value out of your data in Sigma. Now, let's talk about using these two tools together. First, we'll go to the integrations page within Mozart and go to the navigation bar and click Sigma. Here, we have two options. One, we can manually build a connection between Mozart and Sigma by going through these instructions. Or two, we can automate a lot of these tedious steps simply by clicking a few buttons. And I prefer the more automated way, so I'm going to connect to Sigma directly from Mozart. So let's go ahead and click Connect to Sigma button. And then here we see two simple steps. Let's switch over to Sigma and then log into my account. And then we'll go to the administrations page, and there's my cloud provider and the region. So we're going to go back to Mozart and then select the right cloud provider and the region. And then next, go back to Sigma to create the API keys, which will then allow Mozart and Sigma to talk to each other. I'm going to do this by going to the developer access page, and we'll create the client credentials. So click create key and then select REST API. And then I'll enter Mozart-Sigma-demo as the name for this key and select myself as the owner. And click create. And in a few seconds, we have the credentials set up. So next, I'm going to copy and paste the client ID and the secret key into Mozart. And then we're going to test and run the connection. So within a few seconds, we've granted Mozart an access to Sigma, which allows us to get more visibility into the activities within Sigma. And the last step is to establish a connection between the Sigma and Mozart managed Snowflake. So click this button, and now we have Sigma and Mozart and Snowflake all talking to each other. Additionally, once the connection has been established, you will now see Sigma in the navigation bar. Clicking this will take you to your Sigma workspace. We hope you enjoyed this demo, and please let us know if you have any questions or feedback. Thank you for watching this video.